Welcome to Happy English. How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Do you ride the bus?
Yes, I do.
Do you ride the bus?
Yes, I do.
Is the bus big?
Yes, it is.
Is the bus big?
Yes, it is.
Do you sit on the bus?
Yes, I sit.
Do you sit on the bus?
Yes, I sit.
Is the bus fast?
Sometimes.
Is the bus fast?
Sometimes.
Who drives the bus?
The driver.
Who drives the bus?
The driver.
Do you like the bus?
Yes, I do.
Do you like the bus?
Yes, I do.
Is the bus yellow?
Yes, it is.
Is the bus yellow?
Yes, it is.
Do you get off at school?
Yes, I do.
Do you get off at school?
Yes, I do.
Are you on time?
Yes, I am.
Are you on time?
Yes, I am.
What is this?
It's a car.
What is this?
It's a car.
What do you ride?
I ride a bike.
What do you ride?
I ride a bike.
Can a boat fly?
No, it can't.
Can a boat fly?
No, it can't.
Do planes fly?
Yes, they do.
Do planes fly?
Yes, they do.
Is a train long?
Yes, it is.
Is a train long?
Yes, it is.
Is a bike fast?
Not very.
Is a bike fast?
Not very.
Do you walk to school?
Sometimes.
Do you walk to school?
Sometimes.
Can a car float?
No, it can't.
Can a car float?
No, it can't.
What flies in the sky?
A plane.
What flies in the sky?
A plane.
What rides on the road?
A bus.
What rides on the road?
A bus.
Is the bus loud?
Yes, it is.
Is the bus loud?
Yes, it is.
Do you stand or sit?
I sit.
Do you stand or sit?
I sit.
Do you wear a seatbelt?
Yes, I do.
Do you wear a seatbelt?
Yes, I do.
What color is the bus?
It is yellow.
What color is the bus?
It is yellow.
Do you wait for the bus?
Yes, I do.
Do you wait for the bus?
Yes, I do.
Where do you wait?
At the bus stop.
Where do you wait?
At the bus stop.
What time is the bus?
At 7 a.m.
What time is the bus?
At 7 a.m.
Is the bus early?
No, it is on time.
Is the bus early?
No, it is on time.
Do you talk on the bus?
Yes, with friends.
Do you talk on the bus?
Yes, with friends.
Do you eat on the bus?
No, I don't.
Do you eat on the bus?
No, I don't.
Do you see your school?
Yes, I do.
Do you see your school?
Yes, I do.
Is the school far?
A little far.
Is the school far?
A little far.
Is the driver nice?
Yes, very nice.
Is the driver nice?
Yes, very nice.
Do you thank the driver?
Yes, every day.
Do you thank the driver?
Yes, every day.
Do you like the ride?
Yes, I do.
Do you like the ride?
Yes, I do.
Do you sleep on the bus?
No, I stay awake.
Do you sleep on the bus?
No, I stay awake.
Is the bus clean?
Yes, it is.
Is the bus clean?
Yes, it is.
Do you line up for the bus?
Yes, I do.
Do you line up for the bus?
Yes, I do.
Can you miss the bus?
Yes, if I'm late.
Can you miss the bus?
Yes, if I'm late.
Do you run to the bus?
Sometimes.
Do you run to the bus?
Sometimes.
Is your bag heavy?
Yes, very heavy.
Is your bag heavy?
Yes, very heavy.
Can you carry your bag?
Yes, I can.
Can you carry your bag?
Yes, I can.
Do you share a seat?
Yes, with a friend.
Do you share a seat?
Yes, with a friend.
Is the seat soft?
A little soft.
Is the seat soft?
A little soft.
Do you sing on the bus?
Sometimes.
Do you sing on the bus?
Sometimes.
Do you wave from the bus?
Yes, I wave.
Do you wave from the bus?
Yes, I wave.
Do you look outside?
Yes, I see trees.
Do you look outside?
Yes, I see trees.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, I do.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, I do.
Do you carry lunch?
Yes, in my bag.
Do you carry lunch?
Yes, in my bag.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Do you ride the same bus every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you ride the same bus every day?
Yes, I do.
Is it fun on the bus?
Yes, very fun.
Is it fun on the bus?
Yes, very fun.
Is it noisy on the bus?
Yes, a bit.
Is it noisy on the bus?
Yes, a bit.
Do you get off alone?
No, with friends.
Do you get off alone?
No, with friends.
Is the bus safe?
Yes, very safe.
Is the bus safe?
Yes, very safe.
Do you ride in the morning?
Yes, every morning.
Do you ride in the morning?
Yes, every morning.
Do you ride after school?
Yes, I go home.
Do you ride after school?
Yes, I go home.
Do you like your bus friends?
Yes, I like them.
Do you like your bus friends?
Yes, I like them.
Do you see cars on the road?
Yes, many cars.
Do you see cars on the road?
Yes, many cars.
Do you reach school happy?
Yes, very happy.
Do you reach school happy?
Yes, very happy.
What is a car?
A car is a small vehicle.
What is a car?
A car is a small vehicle.
Who drives a car?
My dad drives a car.
Who drives a car?
My dad drives a car.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Is a plane fast?
Yes, very fast.
Is a plane fast?
Yes, very fast.
Do trains go on tracks?
Yes, they do.
Do trains go on tracks?
Yes, they do.
Do boats go on water?
Yes, they do.
Do boats go on water?
Yes, they do.
Do you walk to school?
Sometimes I do.
Do you walk to school?
Sometimes I do.
What is slow?
A scooter is slow.
What is slow?
A scooter is slow.
What is big and fast?
A plane.
What is big and fast?
A plane.
What has 4 wheels?
A car has 4 wheels.
What has 4 wheels?
A car has 4 wheels.
What has 2 wheels?
A bike.
What has 2 wheels?
A bike.
What can fly?
A plane can fly.
What can fly?
A plane can fly.
What is yellow and carries kids?
A school bus.
What is yellow and carries kids?
A school bus.
Who sails a boat?
A captain.
Who sails a boat?
A captain.
Who flies a plane?
A pilot.
Who flies a plane?
A pilot.
Who drives a taxi?
A taxi driver.
Who drives a taxi?
A taxi driver.
Can you ride a scooter?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a scooter?
Yes, I can.
Is a truck small?
No, it is big.
Is a truck small?
No, it is big.
What goes very fast?
A train.
What goes very fast?
A train.
Is a bike fun?
Yes, very fun.
Is a bike fun?
Yes, very fun.
Do you ride with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you ride with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you wear a helmet?
Yes, for safety.
Do you wear a helmet?
Yes, for safety.
Is walking healthy?
Yes, very healthy.
Is walking healthy?
Yes, very healthy.
Do cars have horns?
Yes, they do.
Do cars have horns?
Yes, they do.
Do boats have wheels?
No, they don't.
Do boats have wheels?
No, they don't.
Can a bus go on water?
No, it can't.
Can a bus go on water?
No, it can't.
Is the train long?
Yes, very long.
Is the train long?
Yes, very long.
Can bikes go fast?
A little fast.
Can bikes go fast?
A little fast.
Is a scooter easy to ride?
Yes, it is.
Is a scooter easy to ride?
Yes, it is.
What flies in the sky?
A plane.
What flies in the sky?
A plane.
Do trains have windows?
Yes, they do.
Do trains have windows?
Yes, they do.
What has sails?
A boat.
What has sails?
A boat.
Can you swim to school?
No, I can't.
Can you swim to school?
No, I can't.
Do you see traffic?
Yes, a lot.
Do you see traffic?
Yes, a lot.
What rides in the air?
A plane.
What rides in the air?
A plane.
Can you ride a horse to school?
No, I can't.
Can you ride a horse to school?
No, I can't.
Do buses stop at red lights?
Yes, they do.
Do buses stop at red lights?
Yes, they do.
What color is a taxi?
It is yellow.
What color is a taxi?
It is yellow.
What sound does a train make?
Choo-choo.
What sound does a train make?
Choo-choo.
Is riding the bus fun?
Yes, it is.
Is riding the bus fun?
Yes, it is.
Thanks for watching my video.